Very good morning, children. Hope all of you are fine, right? Yeah. So good. Be safe at home and be healthy, right? Yeah. So are you going through the grammar exercises? So please go through the grammar exercise. So without practice, you can't succeed in grammar. You should have more practice. Do practice, or else you will have confusion. You cannot understand. So please practice in grammar. Okay, just write and see. Self evaluation, you itself write and see and check whether it is right or wrong. Got it? Yeah. So even today it is of grammar, the sixth chapter. What is this? Adjective. Okay, adjectives. Adjective. So what is adjectives? Already you have seen, you have studied in your previous class and in basic worksheet also I taught you adjectives. What is adjectives? Just guess, try to give answer. So right or wrong, first try to give answer, right? Adjectives. What is it? Which qualifies the noun, which describes the noun. Okay, which describes the noun, which says about the noun. Got it? Yeah. So come, let's see the introduction part. Okay, explanation part of the adjectives. See here, some sentences are given. Let us read it first. Read these sentences. Puloma is a studious girl. Puloma is a studious girl. So what is the meaning of studious? Here, noun. The girl. Studious girl. Okay. Describes the noun. Studious girl. How she is? She is a studious girl. One who reads and studies more is called as studious. Okay. One who studies more all the time, studying without playing or without any entertainment. That is called as maximum time consumed for studying is called as studious. Got it? Studious. So Puloma is a studious girl, which describes the noun, which qualifies the noun. Got it? See, there were some food in the fridge. So, some food. How much? Some food. This is a adjective. See, Ashok knows 3 languages. How many languages? 3 languages. Okay. This is my sister. Describes the noun. No. Misha. Describes the sister Misha. This is my sister Misha. Where do you live? Okay, even this is the adjective, qualifies the noun. Where do you live? But in the types of adjective, it will come under interrogative. Got it? It will come under interrogative. See next. We have a dance competition in our school. We have a dance competition in our school. It will also come under the possessive adjective. In the type of adjective, it will come under possessive adjective. Okay, our school. Okay, we have a dance competition in our school. Describes the noun. Got it? Yeah. So first, basic knowledge should be there. Then only you can understand the rest of the things. Okay, see, the words in bold are adjectives. So bold letters are adjectives. Let us see. Adjectives are words that give more information about a noun, which gives more information. Okay, zyada information about nouns such as its size, type, color, and so on. And so on means extra, like this. Okay, like this more. It is called as also. so on. ठीक है, yeah, see, more information about size, color, type is given is called as adjective. Got it? Adjectives can also be used after the noun. Okay, after the noun also adjective can be used. It is not a rule that before the noun only. So after the noun also adjective can be used. See, the day was sunny. See, sunny. So very heat, very light. With the heat of with the light of sunlight, how it will be? Okay, so that is called as sunny. Got it? The day was sunny, which describes the noun. Next, the questions asked in the exams were difficult. So, the questions were difficult. It is said about the noun, qualifies the noun, describing the noun, everything same meaning only. More information about noun is called describing, qualifying. Okay? So the questions asked in the exam were difficult. The parrots swacking was loud. Parrots swacking was loud. Swacking, what is the meaning of swacking? Making more noise. Okay? Making much noise is called swacking. So the parrot was making more noise. So loud, voice was loud. Okay? Yeah. So see, next here comes the type of adjectives. The first one is type of quality. It says about the quality, how the quality is. Okay? So you are a beautiful girl. So beautiful girl. It also describes the quality only. How you are beautiful. The book is very small in size. Very small in size. So that small, very small. Okay? So like that. So let us see what examples here it is given. Adjective of quality are qualities used to describe the nature or quality of the subjects or noun. Okay? Nature or quality it is said. Okay? Let us see what it is. He wore a silk tie. So he wore a tie. Past tense of wear is called as wore. He wore a silk tie. Shiny tie will be there, no? That is called as silk tie. Okay, how the tie was? Silk. I love having sticky toffees. Sticky toffee. Sticky, you know, no? Like a gum, sticky. So toffee, sweets. So I love having sticky toffees. Sticky. What is it? Sweets. Okay. Toffee matlab sweet. So describing the noun toffee. How the toffee is sticky. Misha told us a funny story. How the story was? Funny, comic, joke. Okay. So funny story describes the noun. So this is called as quality. Okay. Adjective of quality. Understand? Next comes the adjective of quantity. Quantity matlab how much, how many, that is called as quantity. Let us see. Adjective of quantity are adjectives that tell us the number or the amount. Okay, number or the amount. A is missed here. Amount of a uncountable noun. Okay, especially uncountable noun. Okay, it says the number or amount. See example, by seeing example you can understand more clearly. See, we had some snacks in the evening. So how much all they didn't say. You can't count, it is uncountable. Okay? So some snacks. How much? Some snacks. Got it? See, there were many fish in the river. So we can't count the fishes on the river, how much it is. How many it is, we can't count. So many fishes. Got it? See, I have enough money to buy the groceries, food items. Okay, I have enough money how much money all they didn't say. Enough money I have. Okay. So this is called as quantity. How much, how many. That is called as quantity. Describes the quantity. Got it? Yeah. So this is very easy. Number. Adjective of number. Adjective of number are adjectives that specify the number or amount of a countable noun. Okay. So it specifies the number or amount of a countable noun. That is called as adjective of number. See, six, few, many, more. That all first, second, that everything will come under adjective of number. There are 6 members in my family. So how many members? 6. Ritu has a few biscuits in her bag. How many biscuits? A few biscuits. Okay? A few biscuits, less biscuits. See, Ajay has many paper clips. So many paper clips. This we can count. Okay? So it will come under number. Adjective of number. It is very easy. Got it? And this one very easy. Demonstrative adjective. What is this? Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective are adjectives that used to specify a particular person, place or thing. Okay? So particularly specifying, particularly denoting is called as demonstrative adjective. Particularly a person or place is denoted is called as demonstrative adjective. See, that bus goes to the city. So specifying, they are saying about that bus only. See, that bus goes to the city. Okay. This library has a large collection of book. Okay, about this library it is said. So this library specifically they are mentioning. This library has a large collection of books. Those boys are my cousins. Okay? Those boys, mentioning only those boys, not every boy. So those boys are my cousins. So this, that, these, those, everything this will come under demonstrative adjective. This is very simple and easy. Got it? So what is the next one? It is an interrogative. Okay? It is an interrogative adjective. Already said no in the previous interrogative adjective. Question words, question types. See, interrogative adjectives are adjective used with a noun to ask a question. To ask a question. Got it? See, whose bag is this? Asking question, no? Whose bag is this? Which color do you like? Okay. Which color do you like? What is Rita doing in the evening? What is Rita doing in the evening? So everything they're asking question. WH question. This is called as WH question. So every questions how, why, what, which, whom, everything will come under this. Okay, it is called as interrogative adjective. Right? And the final one is possessive adjectives. What is it? Possessive adjectives. See, possessive adjectives are adjectives that are used to show possession or be or belonging possession or belonging. It comes before the noun and tells us to whom the noun belongs. Okay? It shows the possession or belonging. Already previous class we have seen, no, possession, possessive. Yeah, shows the belonging, whose belonging it's. Okay? and it comes before the noun also. See, this is my house. Whose house? My house. I said no, says the belongings. Describes the belongings. Whose it? See, my house. We went to their school. Okay? We went to their school. You should finish your meal. You should finish your meal. His work. Her book. My table. So, like this, possession. Possessives are called as possession. Possessive adjectives. Okay? Understood? Clear? So, please go through this. Next. In part 2, we will see the exercise part of adjective. It is very, very easy. First, you read at least 2 times so that you may not have any confusion. If you have any confusion, just ask me in the online session. Got it? Okay, bye bye. Take care. Thank you.